Scan complete on Section 4. No defects.
Roger that. Caliper reading confirmed within tolerance. Data logged.
Alignment complete on segment 12. X-ray sequence initiated.
Data confirms perfect penetration. Notifying quality assurance now.
Alignment check on tube 12. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Crane, lower the ring frame by 5.
Roger, lowering sloper.
Precision is paramount. These manifolds must withstand 4,000 psi, verified by meticulous leak detection.
Check the resistance on line 3.
Reading stable at 50 ohms.
Log the results.
Ensure the torque sequence is finalized on the main breakers.
We have a clear reading on the insulation test. Logging the results now.
Very good. Proceed to the next section.
Pneumatic piping connects the tanks to high-pressure air banks, essential for blowing the water out when surfacing.
Cycling the sequence again. Seals look good. Pressure stable across the manifold. We have green on the integrity test.
Aligning the shaft to within 5 thousandths.
Confirmed. Torquing sequence initiated.
All right, easy on the hoist, lowering to 5 meters.
Copy that. Coming down slow. Gear mesh alignment confirmed. QC noted.
Pressure holding steady at 200 psi.
Inspector, verify joint 4-9er.
Verified. Marking complete.
The scrubbers undergo rigorous testing. As oxygen generation ramps up, the system activates, demonstrating its
Micro adjustments complete on mount 4.
Alignment verified. Green status across the board.
Ensure that is logged under calibration checks.
Initialization is complete. We're running the self-tests now, making sure the beamforming algorithms are calibrated.
Power-up sequence initiated. All systems check green.
Loading simulated scenario. Tracking solution acquired. Validating firing parameters now.
Helm control synchronized. Applying 10 degrees rudder.
Confirmed response on tactical display. Communications secure. The installation of these comprehensive emergency systems provides multiple layers of redundancy, allowing the submarine.
The precision application of these anechoic tiles is critical. They are designed to absorb sonar pings.
Cycle complete. Confirming retraction status on panel 7.
Seal looks good. Green across the board. Ready for final assessment.
Lowering anchor to test depth. Payout is clear. Confirmed limit reached. Begin recovery.
Beginning pressure cycle test now. Monitor gauges closely.
Affirmative. Reading stable. Hatch cycling looks nominal.
Warning. Flooding detected in compartment 4.
Damage control central. Isolate the affected area. All hands respond to flooding casualty.
Lube oil levels verified.
Confirmed, sir. Cooling system alignment complete.
Ready for the pressure test on the main shaft seal.
Ensure the alignment is precise before lowering the cask.
Confirmed. Alignment checks are green. QA has signed off on step 3.
We need to ensure the as-built drawings match the inspection records precisely.
I'm updating the database with the new serial numbers now.
The continuous workflow emphasizes the culmination of years of construction effort as the submarine prepares for its first immersion.
This panel controls the auxiliary seawater system. Make sure you log the pressure readings every 15 minutes.
Understood. Where is the manual override located?
Right here, but only use it in an emergency.
Approaching criticality. Period is stable.
Confirmed. Sustained nuclear reaction achieved.
MCR, reactor at 50%, increasing to full power.
Engineering. Turbine parameters stable.
Generators synchronized. Transferring load now.
Sim launch sequence initiated on tube 1.
Acknowledged. Target verified.
Encryption confirmed. Message sent.
All right, get that hose positioned on the starboard side now.
Yes, instructor. Pressure is stable.
We are making access. Stand by for entry. Confirm the ballast control panel parameters were verified against the latest directive.
Yes, sir. All systems green for ballast operations.
Bridge, all lines are clear.
Very well. Tugboats, ease us off the pier.
Aye, Captain.
Bridge is clear, diving now.
Flood main ballast tanks. Maintain descent rate.
Very well. Helm, steady on present course. Depth 150 feet and holding.
Passing test depth. Initiate control descent. Blow forward and aft main ballast tanks.
Navigation reports. Target velocity achieved and stable. Engineering. Propulsion holding maximum sustained power.
Helm, initiate high-speed maneuver, banking left.
Engineering confirms sustained maximum propulsion.
Acoustics. Signature remains optimal.
Fire control, solution is ready.
Weapon status board indicates green.
Shoot!
T-minus 10 seconds. All stations report status.
Systems check complete. Ready. Fire control ready.
Launch sequence initiated.
GPS fix is confirmed. Comparing against the inertial solution.
Drift is negligible, well within limits. Updating the master chart now.
Initiate emergency main ballast blow.
Blowing all tanks. Angle is increasing rapidly.
Main propulsion upper level. Fire is suppressed. We are checking for hot spots.
Roger that. Continue boundary cooling.
The radiated noise signature is well within specifications. We have a confirmed pass on stealth performance.
VLF reception is nominal. Ready the towed array for streaming. Array is streamed. Acquiring...
Performance check on Array 6. We have a solid return.
Confirmed. The system is fully operational.
Mass control, zooming to maximum on the contact.
Sonar concurrence. EW is reporting active radar emissions. Bearing steady.
As you can see, oxygen levels remain stable across all decks.
And the crew morale index is holding steady at 85%.
Engineering, valve 97 adjusted. System holding steady pressure now.
Sonar, confirm ice thickness at the target point.
Roger that, Captain. Reading shows thinning ice. High probability of successful breach.
The vibration data is well within limits, Admiral.
We only have these minor adjustments.
Excellent work, Captain. The vessel is ready for commissioning.
Lines 5 and 6 secure.
Copy that. Shore power connected.
Engineering, report all deficiencies cleared by 1600.
The commissioning of a naval warship marks its official entry into the fleet, a proud tradition dating back centuries.
This magnificent vessel represents the cutting edge of our naval power. It will safeguard our interests and project stability across the globe.
Ballast tanks fully flooded, sir.
Very well. Navigation, confirm position. We are proceeding to patrol depth. Secure the external comms.
Status check, all departments.
Sonar reports transient noise bearing 045, otherwise clear. Watch, officer.
Status check on auxiliary systems.
AMR reports filter secured. Torpedo room preventive maintenance proceeding on schedule.
All systems green. Control.
The crew relies on strict routines to maintain cohesion during extended patrols.
Con, sonar, we have a new transient...
Sighting complete. Set course 090.
Confirm, Nav. High accuracy verified.
Attention all hands. We are commencing return transit. Patrol is complete. Maintain sharp lookout.
Copy that, Commander.
Aloft is secure, Bridge.
Base, Bluefish requests clearance for final approach to the pier.
Welcome home! We missed you so much!
Oh my God, look how big she's gotten!
This sensor reading is still showing an anomaly.
All right, I'll add it to the priority list for the afternoon brief.